Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video we will learn collective nouns. A group of bees we called swarm, a group of fish called school, a group of birds called flock or flight. We can say both flock and flight. Group of sheep called herd or flock, group of lion called pride, group of wolves called pack, group of ants called colony, group of geese called gaggle, group of crows called murder, group of owls called parliament, group of hens called brood, group of parrots called company, group of badgers called skulk, group of dolphins called pod, group of monkeys called troop, group of bats called colony, group of mice called mischief, group of whales called cam, group of pigs called drove, groups of kangaroo called mob, group of bears called sloth, group of dogs called pack, groups of goats called trip, group of giraffes called tower, group of herons called siege, group of kittens called candle, group of cats called clouder, groups of peafowl muster, group of leopard leap, group of foxes skull, group of salmon run, group of eels called swarm, group of trout school, group of caterpillars army, group of grasshopper cloud, group of gnat hodge, group of mosquitoes scourge, group of butterflies rapple, group of locust plague, group of crocodiles bask, group of snakes knot, group of toad knot, group of ferret business, group of alligator gamble, group of cows herd or pod. We can say both. Group of puppies litter, group of calves litter, group of chicks clutch and brood. We can say both. Group of ducklings brood, group of eggs called clutch, group of hedgehog array, group of flamingos flamboyance, group of lizard launch, group of magpies parliament. Follow for more.